Welcome, friends! Today we get to know Coat. Coat, take it away and tell everyone about yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Coat. I get to hang out with you all by myself. I am going to take you on an adventure of the things I like to do for fun. I'm excited for you all to join. Bounce, bounce, bounce. We start the day out by bouncing and get the water flowing. My way to begin the day.
Winter's magic, breaking rules.
Now let's go outside and fly the kite. Fresh air and kite flying is the best. When was the last time you went outside and flew a kite?
Autumn leaves and winter steals. Frosty dreams, it all feels real.
Hoo-ha! There is nothing more fun than getting on the lake and riding around on a jet ski. Let's see if I can do any tricks.
They twinkle in the night, glowing with a frosty
And that's not all. Now let's ride a surfboard. Calabanga, it is getting hot out here. I better get indoors before I melt. Oh wait, one more thing out in the sun. Rock climbing. I am afraid of heights. Have you ever seen a snowman go rock climbing? We had a long day outside. It is time to eat and get some energy. What's your favourite thing to eat? I like eating iceberg salads. Oh, look how cute these puppies are. How many puppies do you count? Can you help me count them all and give them names?
With the frosty light, seasons changing, they're all right. Slush balls hold.
How did I end up here? It's like I travelled in time back to the dinosaurs. These dinos are so tall. Can you imagine if I was as tall as these dinosaurs? I better get back to the right timeline. This is what I am talking about. I need to stay nice and cold. Throw all the snowballs at me. Is there snow where you are? Some places do not get snow. I could not imagine. I need snow all day, every day, but I enjoyed my time with you all. Can't wait to hang out in our other adventures.
Here to charm us all. Slush balls forever, cute and cool. Winter's magic, breaking rules. In a world where seasons rule, slush balls keep it fresh at school. Autumn leaves and winter steals. Frosty dreams, it all feels real. But our pals with heart of steel, slush balls show that love can heal. Oh. They twinkle in the night, glowing with a frosty light. Seasons changing, they're alright. Slush balls holding on so tight. Slush balls forever, cute and cool. Winter's magic, breaking rules. In a world where seasons rule, slush balls keep it fresh at school. Fallen leaves and keep it fresh at school. All they twinkle in the night, glowing with the frosty light. Seasons changing, they're alright. Slush balls holding on so tight.